Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to add email account on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings. This method works on absolutely any iPhone and on absolutely any iPad. Scroll down. Here we open Mail. Further select Accounts. And as you can see, I already have iCloud here, and I have Gmail. Here's my mail, and here's my Mail, Contacts, Calendar. If you want to add an account, you click Add Account. Choose whatever you want here. Write your username and password, and then your account will appear here. That's how easy it is to add an email account to absolutely any iPhone. If you liked and found this video helpful, you can give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.